We're standing outside the office of retail giant Mickey Drexler. He's the former CEO of J.Crew, Gap, where he launched Old Navy. He's now helming Alex Mill, a rapidly growing fashion brand that was founded by his son, Alex Drexler. We show you the offices you can't see.
Hi there, I'm Mickey Drexler, and welcome to Alex Mill's World Headquarters. Come on in.
Thank you for having us. We're very excited to be here. What happens at the table? What happens in this room?
Every single space here is multi-used. This could be a last-minute meeting. It's a showroom because we sell goods. So it has no specific use except whoever needs it. You know, I haven't done anything so small before and so intimate. I'm kind of against big corporate things. 2 companies ago, we built this fancy headquarters building, and I felt like in a glass cage, and then I moved my table into where the people are.
You like Soho. What inspires you about Soho?
I just think it's real, it's not fake, it's not a big, ugly, modern buildings you're looking at. My favorite restaurant, San Ambrose, is right there, and I go there all the time.
You go there every day, right?
Yeah. Well, it's my other office. If I need privacy, I have a little corner table. If you look at the wall here, guys are comfortable in clothes that don't go out of style. I hardly ever throw anything out, which I should do, but you know, things hang around.
There's too much fast fashion.
Right.
You want something that lasts. And how much time in your day are you spending thinking about trends versus specific items that you want to reinvent? What does that look like?
I think all the time. You can't, your mind doesn't take time off. This is part of the team.
And Alan is here
Oh,
too.
and Alan. Alan, by the way. Yeah, Alan, hello Alan. He's very friendly, but he interviews people, and he's very good at it, see? And if he goes to the person, they get the job.
We're headed over to your office.
Well, it's not an office.
Your desk,
This
rather.
is my table. You know what this means? I got this as a gift from the J.Crew team. It's Spilkus, which translates as ants in my pants, because I can't sit still and I'm always moving around. And the other thing I keep, The Little Engine That Could, which it's the most famous book in the world. And that's what I consider us to be, the little engine that could, and we never give up.
And then you have a trend meter too.
When people are looking at the goods or we're choosing merchandise, I say to everyone presenting, which way is it beyond the beyond, which is, I really believe in it. Is it on point, or is it going south?
A lot of CEOs, they want to have their personal space, they want to go in their personal office.
I learn more, and the rule is go to the store, or go to the floor, or go wherever, speak to people who speak to customers. And that's, for me, my most important source of information.
You do have some big people wearing Alex Mill. I know Greta Gerwig.
Yes.
Seen wearing your jumpsuit. I know Kris Jenner
Yep.
has sported some of the sweaters.
Every customer, to me, is a big customer.
Fair. So when you come in though,
Yeah.
on a given day, what is the first 5 to 10 minutes? Do
Okay,
you
well, I'll
have
show you where I come
a
in.
routine?
No.
Do you meditate?
Do I have a routine? No, never predictable. Okay, act normal. Jack, I just learned today he's a good sewer. Belle, I just found out, by the way, it's serious. You sew and you sew, and we have a project for them to sew. But this is where the action is in the morning. Lanny's responsible for when things fit well and they fit badly.
Oh man.
I got a lot of pressure.
And Shaq does this men's clothes on fit, and Heather does women. Take care, Bubby.
Okay, and these are the vision boards for...
These are, yeah, they're just inspirational. You know, Sam and the design team. So everything is from your mind.
You just have to create something,
You have to
put
create,
it out there.
you have an idea, and of
what
course
sticks.
discipline and financial management is critical, but first thing is the merchandise, the goods, the product.
Thank you so much for having us.
I love this. Take care, buddy.
This has been
Good to
such a
see you.
great thing.
Thanks for having us.
So there you have it. We learned a new Yiddish word, Spilkus. We learned Mickey's been inspired by the children's book, the little engine that could, and we got the official tour of Alex Mill. Until next time, I'm Lydia Moynihan.